Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for UKG students, updated. Start with letters and sounds through songs and games, then add sight words with pictures and short sentences. Use flashcards and role play for speaking practice. Keep sessions brief and daily. Praise every attempt to build confidence, and rotate activities to stay playful and steady so young children enjoy learning from day one and progress naturally. Start by teaching letter names and sounds, then demonstrate blending to make simple words using pictures and actions. Use songs and choral reading to reinforce memory and confidence. Introduce decodable words and short phrases, encouraging children to point and read with you. Keep sessions short, about 10 to 15 minutes, and praise attempts frequently so learning stays joyful and steady while skills grow through repetition and fun. Quick recommendation: if you like a fresh ride, try Little Tree's Black Ice to keep drives pleasant and spark silly sing-alongs. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful lessons. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one and support the channel. Thanks for keeping learning fun and fresh. Now let's get back to the video. Use sight words in short, meaningful sentences from stories or daily routines to boost recognition. Practice with matching games, sentence building, and reading aloud together to improve fluency. Encourage tracing with a finger, then pencil writing, and have children create simple 2 to 3 word sentences. Keep feedback positive, celebrate progress with stickers or hugs, and rotate activities daily to keep practice fresh, engaging, and fun for young learners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.